Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. Look.
Hey Cachers, it's Lisa. Look at Lisa from Cache Advance. And it is time for season 10 of the Geo Challenge of the month. So I thought to go all the way back to our very first challenge, which was to perform cache maintenance. So for April 2025, I'd like you to perform cache maintenance. Now, Joshua, get to it.
Can you believe it? Can you believe it? We are at 10 years. 10 years of the partnership with Cache Advance for the Geo Challenge of the Month. I can't believe it. That was the fastest 10 years of my life. And here we are. It is April 2025. Because this is our 10th year, we are going to go back to the beginning. The very, very beginning. And our challenge for this month is the very first challenge we ever had. And that was to do geocache maintenance. Spring in the Northern Hemisphere is the perfect time to do geocaching maintenance, and I am all ready to go. I have maybe a replacement geocache that I might need to use, who knows. I have plenty of swag, a little comb. What else do I have here? Ooh, a can koozie. Plus, I got plenty of log books to replace. Maybe some of my geocaches need pencils. Anyway, so I'm gonna go to a few of my geocaches. I'm gonna check on them because it's been probably a good year that I've checked on them. Make sure everything looks great, and I will complete the Geo Challenge of the month, and then it's your turn. Let's go. So this first one I'm checking on is actually the first cache that I ever found that I adopted. This geocache has been filmed many times, and it was recently DNF'd by somebody who has never found a geocache before. So I'm guessing that it's still there, but we will see if indeed the cache is still there. What do you think? What's the probability of it going missing? And sure enough, the geocache is here. It is here to be found. I will need to message that finder and give them a little hint where this is. But let's see, it is very dry. There's plenty of swag in here. Path tags. This one is in really, really solid shape. Plenty of swag. Ooh, and a $100 bill. This one needs absolutely no maintenance, which means I have not completed the Geo Challenge of the month. So let's check on another one. I'll put this one right off back, hoping that person, I bet you it's a kid, will find this one. This next one is an ammo can, and I've actually struggled to find this cache, my own cache. Another thing that's great about geocaching in the spring is look at all the leaves are down and gone, so it's easier to spot those caches. Okay, this one is pretty out in the open. There it is. And it's a nice sealed, nice ammo can. I bet it's dry, but let's see what's in it. This one is called Kermit's Home. Can you guess why? Take a listen. Kermit has woken up to the spring. Okay, nice bag, logbook, solid. I put this in here like 3 years ago. It's still in here. Pencil, solid. We got a few toys in there, but not a lot of great stuff. So I'm going to first clean it all out. There's like a lot of like mini like Polly Pockets. Are these Polly Pockets? Lots of like miniatures. It's just a little bit damp. I'm gonna wipe it out. This is maintenance. Wiping it out, drying it off. Here's the thing, if you put swag in your cache and nobody's taking it, it's probably not good swag, so I'm removing this. All right, dropping all the good stuff back in. Happy Easter! Ooh, it's a major award. All right, here's what I'm gonna put in it. Chocolate strawberry trackable, unactivated. A pack of going caching cards, and a Texas geocaching bottle opener. Now, since this is my cache, I'm going to hide it better than it was. So, we're going down here. Maintenance done. So for this next one, I'm pretty sure that the geocache was destroyed. And now I know why, because look, habitat restoration project in progress. As you can see, this place has been leveled. It's been burned. There is no way my geocache survived this. I'm at ground zero. This place just got leveled. Completely leveled. This one was like a fake piece of wood, and then there was like a bison tube hidden in it. So let's see if I can find any remnants of the geocache, possibly. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. Look what I found. It's still here. It's still here. The fake wood is gone, but there's like a dent in it. I can't believe it survived this forest restoration, but it is here. I spotted it, I found it. How satisfying is that? That got nailed by some sort of machine. Oh, I can't even get it open. Oh my gosh, that is jammed shut. Clearly this location is no longer suitable for a geocache. So sometimes with cache maintenance, sometimes it's just the end. It's just the end of the cache. This one's getting archived, which is also maintenance because I'm gonna pick this up so there's no geo trash laying around. I am at the last one, and fun fact, it is actually 80 degrees today, and today is actually March. And look, only in Minnesota is there like a scuzzy pile of snow when it's 80 degrees. All right, we're off to the last cache, doing some maintenance, feeling good about myself, doing the right thing as a geocacher. So this one is actually a lonely cache. I can't believe I didn't notice it sooner. This one could be gone. I think this is the spot. I think this is the spot where I hit it. Gone. No remnants. It's gone. This one is also kaput. I'm guessing this one got muggled because this one is a regular size near a park where lots of kids would be. I'm guessing it probably got stolen. This one's been going for 11 years. It had a good run. Well, friends, I did it. I completed the Geo Challenge of the month for the month of April, the beginning of our 10th year. Now it is your turn to go do some maintenance on your geocaches. Take a picture of it, film it, video it, send us a screenshot of your log, and then submit it in the form, which is in the YouTube description, and you could win an exclusive Geo Challenge of the month, GeoCoin. All right, this is the beginning of a great season. It's time to get out there, ouch, and take care of those geocaches.